What is up, everybody? Welcome into this new video. If you want to optimize your products on eBay, you are in the right place. I'm going to be showing you just a few tips of how you can get started here into eBay. If you go into eBay and I'm going to here create my account, as you can see I'm already been creating my account. If you clicked in here into the sell hub, you can start selling, make money here selling on eBay, and you want to go into list an item. And just as easy, we can now start to work here into eBay. Now, it's really important, guys, that in order to start here selling here into eBay, you want to go a little bit back. And what you want to do is to add a payment method in order to start selling here into your eBay. So that might be the reason why you are not able to actually sell your stuff here. So what I want to do is to hit actually into my account here. And here into your account, you want to add the payment method. Here it says payment options, like this. And you want to choose whether there will be a credit card. You continue with Google, like that. And here I'm going to select my account, and here to continue. So this is just a process that you can do to have your store enabled. But I'm going to jump right into how we can actually improve our listing in order to gain more research, more searches here into eBay. So if you go into my eBay selling overview, you might be seeing that here you have some active stuff and you have like nobody's watching your actual listed items. So how can we possibly improve that? So there are a few ways that you can improve that, and the first of all is just to make sure that you are selling the right item. So you might be listening to other people that your item is not like the best to sell here into eBay. So what you want to do is to make some product research just to make sure that you are selling the right item. So how can I make sure that I'm selling the right item? So this is a very easy question. So what I want to do is to look for the title, the item that I want to sell. Let's say, for example, an Bluetooth lamp speaker. So I want to copy this one and I want to paste that into Google Trends. Now Google Trends is going to be helping me to see how many people and where are selling this this lamp. So as you can see, I want to choose Mexico here, and I want to choose worldwide. And here I want to tap for the past 30 days only, all categories and the web search. So I'm gonna go into Google Shopping. I'm gonna just stick around with the web search, and here you can see interest of the time, 58 people looking for lamp Bluetooth speakers, 16, 75, and 0, 38, 800. So there's like a lot of people looking for that into the United Kingdom and into the United States. If you want to sell into the United States, just stick around with the United States. Here it is. And the actual terms are going to be appearing like too low. So with that being said, that might be one of the reasons why I cannot sell this item. So if you want to have like more paradigm of what you are selling, specifically speaking about eBay, I want to go into my eBay. I'm going to click in here into summary, like that. And here, what I want to do is to focus into the tools that can be helping me to find, let's say, like more ways to figure out which one is the better item to sell. So what I want to do is to hit into my account. What I want to do is to look out for selling. I'm going to scroll my way down here. I'm going to hit into overview, and there we go. So as you can see, here's the item here. I'm going to go and scroll a little bit down, and here into my seller hub of eBay, you want to look out for research and therapeutic product research, which is actually this one. And here my keywords, I'm going to go back here, is the lamp Bluetooth speakers. I'm going to hit into search this term. I'm going to close this one and hit into last 30 days. Here it is. You want to look out for consumer electronics, portable audio and headphones, audio docks, and mini speakers. Here it is. So I'm gonna get into next, and next, so we can get started here. No thanks. So I'm gonna scroll a little bit down, and as you can see, we do have 2 million sales in the past 30 days. and the total sellers are only 35 people. Total sold 56 here. The free shipping, the average shipping here, and the sold price. So this is something that you might want to take in mind if you want to sell some speakers, speaking about the lamp Bluetooth speakers. So if I had something like don't a lot of sales, but I have a lot of sellers here, well, I mean, this is something that can be helping us to make the sale, right? So let's say, for example, this intelligent atmosphere lamp Bluetooth speakers, there has been a total of only 3 sales here in the last year, actually in the past month. So this is the sale here, and this is the total, this is the fixed price, and this is another speakers that you can sell. So as you can see, actually I believe that this item is listed here into CJ dropshipping. This one is being sold into $79. So I'm gonna go back here into CJ, and I want to look exactly for the same item just to make sure that these guys are actually making dropshipping. I'm pretty sure that they are. I'm gonna hit in here, I'm gonna scroll a little bit down, and as you can see, here is my lamp here. So I'm pretty sure that this item is been sold like more cheaper here into CJ dropshipping. So clicked in here, as you can see, this is the item that we just saw. I'm going to click this option, technical outlet, the United States. This is a speaking about the service fee, the shipping fee is $36, $40, $50, almost like $58. And this one has been sold into $80. So they are gaining like more than $20 per sale. But they have been sold this item 3 sold in the last 24 hours. So there's not so much competition. So what I can do is to try to do exactly the same thing, but try to lower a little bit more my prices. So as you can see, these are similar pointed items and similar items in here. So you don't want to look out for the most trending item to sell, because there's a lot of people selling this item. So you might want to look for less competition and really high profits of the total sale. I'm going to look for something else. Let's say I'm going to go into the CJ dropshipping, and I want to look for, let's say, Valentine's Day. I'm going to go here with this one, the remover electric hairball. I'm going to open this into a new tab, and here I want to actually copy this one and paste that into my research of eBay. So I'm going to hit in here, I'm going to paste that, and I'm going to maybe select this one. I'm pretty sure that this one is around in here. The promoted listing is 48%, the free shipping is 32%, and I want to scroll a little bit down, and as you can see, the average listing price is $27. We couldn't find any sold result in the date range you've selected, so we switch it to active listing. So as you can see, the starting date is, there's no actual people buying this item, and there's a really a lot of people listing this item, and nobody is actually buying this item. So that's the reason why you want to look like for a balance between the right item and the one that's not being sold. So open this one, this option, or go into the area that you think that can be sold like right away, and then after you make the product research, you can now figure it out if this one can be sold into eBay or not. So with that being said, this is how that we can improve our ways to gain more audience, gain more people here into eBay. You don't want to sell what everybody is selling. Try to sell what nobody is selling, or what just a few people is selling, but what people actually wants to look for. So that's the reason why you want to look out for the actual research. You want to make research into eBay. This is the most important part of making dropshipping, the actual resources. So with that being said, guys, we've just now in the last part of the video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, guys, if you do want to see more amazing tools about this eBay. Thank you so much for watching the video, and well, I will see you on the next one. I'll see you soon.